শুরু থেকে শুরু।
Hello everybody. Now I am in my country, Bangladesh. Village house, Hatibanda, Rangpur. This is my farmhouse. Today we're gonna have a big lunch here. Lot of people gonna come, about 300-400 people. We are going to cook some food here. There are some special chef cook here. They're going to cook different kinds of food. I'm gonna show you what kind of food they are cooking. Okay, come on with me. Hello, my friend. What's your name? Your name ki?
Muhammad Dulu.
His name Muhammad Dulu. What are you gonna do here? You're cooking? কি খাবার এটা?
আপনি কি করছেন?
গরু ছাগলের মাংস।
Oh, he said this is good curry. He's gonna cook nice good curry, right?
Yes.
Okay, show the good curry here. This is
This is good
Oh,
curry.
in Bengali, this is sagoler gusto. This is gonna be nice sagoler gusto here. This is my bhabhi, brother's wife. He's also a
Yes.
chef. What are you gonna cook here? Rice? ভাত এটা হচ্ছে ভাত রাইস সে ইয়া করতেছে ভাত কুকিং করতেছে ওইটা কি ওইটা একটু দেখা যাবে
আসি, আমরা এখানে আসি।
Oh, this is fish. This is big fish like a snapper in America, but this is rui, called is rui mas in Bangladesh. Rui mas, right? Rui mas. What is that? Oh, this is soup. What kind of soup this? This is dal, right? Dal.
ডাল
Dalta ki eta kisher dal? Murigando. Fish and mung bean together. They make a special food. Mung bean and fish together. We say this is murigando. It's very
Murigando.
tasty. Let me try some, It's very good, tasty, right?
Wow.
It's yummy food here. Okay, guys, see you later. Thank you very much. Shesh.
ওকে বাই।
Right, tip দাঁড়াও আমি দেই।